Hello everyone, my name is Vivian Egu and I'm here to present our application Covidos. 2020 is a year that no one will forget in a hurry because of COVID-19. COVID-19 is of course one of these diseases that is disrupting the world today. Every media out there is busy feeding us with information about the death rate of every country, but none is giving us the survival rate. Traveling has equally changed as different countries now have various entry requirements for travelers in a bid to protect their territories. As travel lovers and software developers, I and my team have come up with an information portal for COVID-19 travelers called Covidos. Once you come on Covidos, you'll be required to sign up with your email. And once you are done with signing up, you can easily log in. After logging in, you can actually obtain information of various countries by typing the country of your destination. You can access the information about the country once you search for it. You see information regarding the country, the airport, the days of COVID-19 tests required to enter the country, the amount, and of course, the country website where you can get more detailed information about your travel. Apart from this, you can as well share your COVID-19 survivor story. We understand that a lot of the media out there is feeding us with the death rate, and we want to give the world another version to give the world hope and let the world know that COVID-19 is not a death sentence. So you can easily select your country and upload your survivor video. And with a click of a button, your video will be uploaded. Once your video has been uploaded, someone can actually come on Covidos and view the videos of survivors. We want to understand that not everyone have the money to pay for COVID-19 tests. And this is why we have created a GoFundMe account for every country. So you can actually donate for someone in your country to do COVID-19 tests. This is an open source application, which means you can contribute to it. With Covidos, we hope to reduce the frustration of travelers in this COVID-19 pandemic and of course raise an awareness that COVID-19 is not a death sentence. So join us as we beat COVID-19 and restore our world. Thank you.